Smart lock installation tutorial. Model X2 meters. Front lock, rear lock, front lock rubber pad, rear lock rubber pad, lock body, screw tube, battery, square rod, T. Fixing screw, self-tapping screws. Tighten the screw tube. Tighten the screw tube. Adjust the direction of the front lock handle. Unscrew the handle fixing screw. Place the fingerprint head line into slots before changing the handle. Pull out the handle and turn it to the right before opening the door. Tighten the fixing screws. Adjust the direction of the lock handle after adjustment. Unscrew the handle fixing screw. Place the fingerprint head line into slots before changing the handle. Pull out the handle and turn it to the left before opening the door to the right. Tighten the fixing screws. If the handle rebounds, the adjustment is complete. Install pre-lock rubber pad. Install the locking pad after installation. Unscrew the rear locking screw. Open the battery compartment cover. Left unlock out facing the triangular symbol on the bottom plate. Right unlock are facing the triangle symbol on the bottom plate. Install the lock body with the lock tongue facing upwards. Tighten the lock body screws. Install the square pole nut. The point in the square pole is stuck in the small hole. Before installation, pay attention to threading the data cable through the door hole to prevent wire breakage. Test the lock body with the key to see if the lock tongue can be used normally. Cut off the excessively long square shaft when the square pole protrudes 10 to 15 millimeters outside the door panel. Connect the power cords of the front and rear locks properly. Range the excess power cords and insert them into the door gap. After installation, align the lock with the square pillar and install it. Tighten the rear locking screw, but do not tighten it. Align the front and rear locks. Tighten the screws. Install battery. Install the battery box cover. Tighten the screws. Installation is complete. Fingerprint unlocking. Password unlocking. IC card unlocking.